towards the truck. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Blizzard of '93. Two dummies out of taking pictures and shots. Okay, what you can see is up towards the car. John Patty Barkis's. Okay, now looking towards the meter bracket. You're looking at drifts above the house and pines approximately 3 to 4 feet deep. With the blustery wind of March blowing the snow in. But you can see barely past the meter, if you can see that far. Here we are, right up close to it. Beautiful shot up towards the truck. Hey, now you're looking out the front window at the stairwell.
Right in the roadway.
Snow piled clear up.
He's got his truck buried over behind the plaza in the Cinnamons parking lot. He didn't know why I wouldn't come help him get it out. I told him he had no business being on the road to begin with.
Towards the car, about 3-footer by the car. This is about 4 foot you're looking at here. Overlapping right down here to steps. Okay. Steps is all piled full except what little bit you can see here. They're up towards the mailboxes. Barely see them. Okay, here's one you can see compared with the concrete to the top of the drift down to concrete on the front porch. And again, like I say, it's snowing like all hell and damnation. We're looking out the back door. You can see the snow piled up on the back rails.
Table.
The humps you see is the lights on the railing. In the woods you could barely see. Like I said before, snowing like all hell and damnation, the wind blowing the same way. Okay, right there's the table. Piled up approximately 14 to 16 inches. Okay, we're on the back porch looking out towards the other trailer. Snow you can see piled up within about a foot of the back door knob. Almost level with the back window from the porch over to the bedroom window. You can see how snow, you can't see the trailer Mom lived in. Snow's harder than Johnny Barker's. Okay, here's a beautiful shot. Beautiful shot towards Ron and London. Look at it blowing. Bring their house up close here. There, you can't hardly see their house. It snows. Snow piled on the back other rail here toward Ron London's. There's the other light. The lights as we come around are the highest parts with a beautiful blustery 20 degrees. There you can see how it's blowing down towards the woods. At the normals, there's the normal length of the woods. And you can see how it's piled up to our banisters here. This is the back porch. Okay, here it is, Sunday morning, March the 14th, time shown on the screen. You are looking towards my other buildings, meter, the road, the neighbor's house. Drifter, you see what the big cut is above my building. It ranges approximately 5 feet deep, 4 to 5, 6 feet deep. But you can see right there. Okay, up above us we have same thing coming to us here above the house, which you can see with the porch line and the snow towards Fred Goddard's house, which you cannot see, you barely see the mailboxes from the front porch here. Snow looking above the house here. Now you're looking up towards my automobiles. Drift you're looking into here is 4 to 5 feet deep. Stairwell's plugged full. Porch is blowing full, a little bit of shoveled there. Didn't amount that much piling up, most of it blown in. Right down to our feet. Right here to the other side, pile clear to the ledge. Okay. We're going to look out towards Ronnie and Linda's. The drift goes down around the house, protrudes out from the house about 6 to 8 feet. That drift starts the corner about 4 feet deep, goes down about 3 foot deep as it goes down around the house. There are drifts towards Ronnie and Linda's, which you can see. Note, the upper corner of Ronnie and Linda's porch. You can judge how deep the snow is out there. It is quite deep, about 5 to 6 foot drifts. Down towards their house, down around below, what I could show you. Back up, drifted quite deep, real deep the gateway, quite deep here by our house. What have you. It is extremely deep, up towards the car. The roads are deep. Out towards the young farm, which I'll show you later as I get up to the road. But right now you can see what we have here. Quite deep. 4 to 5 foot drifts. And we got 4 to 6 foot drifts in above our house, which are scanning again, you should say. Like I say, there's the porch pile full, with the exception of a little path I shoveled. And back towards my building. Like I say, it's a 5 to 6 foot above my building. Clear up to the roof. And it's clear to the roof of my building. The boss is going to take some pictures here before I start shoveling. Okay, looking up the path where it was shoveled out, about 4 feet deep. What kind of retard is that, Ronnie? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Around by the house right now. Okay. Okay, looking out toward Ron and Linda's. See the snow drifted up above on their porch, above and on it. Out the road, she's drifted quite deep, which I'll get in the road and get more. Okay, there's the snow and there's the boss. Okay, there's snow drifts out this way towards Young Barn. There it is, drifted out the Young Barn up close. 35-foot drifts, or about 8-foot drifts, 10. This is heading towards Glenn Sandy's house. Okay, swinging back to what's in front of my house. Car, gutter. These drifts are about 4 to 5 feet deep here in front of the house as of right now. House here. You can just barely see the house standing in the edge of the road next to Goddard's and Davis's. There's the car barely sticking out. The building. This is in front of Fred and Sue's house. Drifted some. Okay. Out there Rogers. Towards Mom's house. Going around here to my house again. See, I'm in the middle of the road looking right now. And right back. The big drifts we have here in the road.
Hi.
Hi, sir. We're at the back of the house, we're looking now, looking out above it. Okay, you see what we have here. More shots towards Mom's house. Towards the road. They're going around. Okay, now you can see how high it is on the house. Taking this from the building here. This is above the building, 3 to 4 feet. Okay, now you're looking at the back of the house. Drift between me and the house here. Approximately 4.5 feet deep. The ground up. We're looking in on the back porch, which is quite deep. Note the door handle on the back door, where it is. See how deep it is from the brown strip, which is about floor level, and the door handle, and around there's a stairwell and the concrete walkway all piled up. Okay. Okay, we're looking up the hill around the house, back of the house. Here's an overall view. House, the back porch, surrounding areas, and trees around. The lot down over, which is leveled. And mine, house piled up to the back, up on the back porch. Really deep on the back porch, clear to the door. See a few bare spots around. Sun's melting off around 18 to 20 degrees. Melting a little bit here and there. That's Mom's trailer, my building. Snow banks above it. And the path I got shoveled up back of the house. There's a biggie above. Starting there above the house. Okay, we're going to swing around below. Some of the snow shoveled off the back walkway here, the full length of it. Chunks over the hill. Okay, now we're gonna go looking in on the back porch. The part of the snow I got shoveled off. There's still some on there yet. Give you an idea of what we have here on the porch. That's on about halfway. Look out, Ronnie, they'll get you. Freddie and Sue hard at it, shoveling their cars out. Smile, Freddie, you're on candid camera. Right. Huh? It's on.
Oh, it's already.
You see the thing there?
Yeah, the red button there.
See, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Ready to go? Okay, we're headed east on Doolin Run Rd. Looking way high on both sides of the track. Coming around the Sadie Rushes here. Quite high. Drifted a good bit through here Mercedes, which you can say. See what I do, I narrate as I go like this. Okay, my cameraman is Mr. Ronald Sutton Stricker on the camera. Okay, we're out by Nurse Nonnie's. Barely see the hydrant, drifts, what have you through here. Okay, here we have cars up our Davy During's truck. Cars. Down by Larry Babe's drifted quite a bit through here, what you can see. Really drifted bad here. What do you think about this, big boy? That's what Ronnie was telling me. Yeah? Well, I'd say, well, it's something else. Yeah, well, better let you do it. I'll get on out here. They'll be coming back here in a little bit. They're going to Newdale to turn and come back, they said. Well, we'll talk to you later, Larry. So you can see where it drifted. I had the truck hung up almost over the hill here. Right down by Larry Babe's driveway now. Now we're coming out to the Emery Young farm, front of Emery's house. Drifted through here quite a bit. Right on around. Should send this to the left. Just say, well, both ways, however. Right in front of the Emery's house, through by the barn, which you can see it's drifted quite a bit here. Going out past the barn, drifted a lot more. Okay, now you can see where it's drifted down through towards Ronnie and Lumpus. They're up to the windows of the truck on the driver's side. Out here, they're running for Hickory High left again, shoveling more snow out. And you can see up here where it's drifted quite a bit with Freddie's, Sue's, in front of my house here. That's as far as I'm going to get it here.